to Study with Malsha YouTube channel. Okay, my dear kids, so today we are going to learn how to section our page numbers in the same document. So you can see I have created a book, so I need to add page numbers according to the following format. First 5 pages are to introduce my book, so I should use Roman figures. Thereafter, I will use normal Hindu-Arabic numbers. First, let's learn how to add page numbers. To begin, navigate to the Insert tab. Then, click the page number command. Here you will find few different commands to add the page numbers. If you need to add the page numbers to the bottom, top or any other page margins, you can simply use these 3 options. If you need to add it to your current header or the footer, use the current position option. Now I will select this. So you can see once after I add the page number, our design tab will be open so that I can customize my page number. If you need to move the first page to another page, you can simply check this different first page option. Now let's see how to change the number format. Click on the header. Now go to the Design tab. And now you can select the page number option. So from here, you should click this Format Page Numbers. Right. Now I am going to change the number format. So I will select these Roman figures. And don't forget to add 1 at the Start At option. Then click OK. Let's close this header and footer now. Okay, now I am going to separate my page numbering and start over with a new section. Look at this carefully. First, I will place my cursor on the beginning like this. So I am going to start at the 5th page. Now, click the Layout tab. From here, click the Breaks command. Now, the next page. Okay, so now double click on the header or the place where you have added your page number. Now go to your newly opened Design tab. Click the Format Page Numbers from the menu. From the dialog box, select the Start At option and mention the page number you need to start with. I will add 1. Then click OK. Finally, I will click this Link to Previous option so that I can avoid changes for my previous numbering. So now you can see how page numbers help you to work easily. So, see you with the next video soon. Thank you very much.